Hi, I'm Amanda Seifert, and I am working on Module 17. This is going to be the data protocol for our Beloit Elementary School. Again, I'm a kindergarten teacher, and we collect data in several different ways. But the main part of when we get that data, when we break it down and discuss it, we usually do that in our PLC meetings, which is Professional Learning Communities. So I've decided to look at our PLC meetings, and we need some sort of agenda, something to kind of stay on task. So that's what I chose to make my graphic about, and then show you the data protocol and kind of like an agenda for that. So first of all, here we have PLC, our process for our PLC meeting, and then I break it down into, is this an academic problem or is this a behavior problem? So that helps us get focused. The next step is choose the student focus for the meeting. Okay, so we have chosen academic or behavior, and then we present the need for that student. The next step in our flowchart would be to process through the data, focusing on the areas of need. And then the last step for the flowchart is make a plan for the student to support him or her in the areas of needs. And then we need to set a follow-up meeting if necessary. We meet once a week. However, I know that there are a lot of kiddos that we discuss, so we may need more time than that. So here's the flow chart, and then I'm going to go to the actual data protocol page. On here, it's just a sheet they can print out. This can easily be typed up just on a white piece of paper. So this is data protocol, or kind of like an agenda, I guess. So we list up here at the top our student demographic information. Down here, what is the area of need? So we write that in. Present supporting data. So what we're doing, or present supporting data, sorry, what we're doing right now in attempts to try to help the student. What current supports are in place, kind of those same things, and then what supports can we put into place? So what can we do to help the student? Right here on that present supporting data, we kind of show, the areas where they're low in, those kinds of things, and then what supports are we going to do. So we could look at the data that we've pulled. This will help us stay on track and try not to get off topic when we're in our PLC meetings. Down here at the bottom, it's student name, the date we met, and the teacher. This can be made bigger or smaller. It can be adjusted to any area of need. It doesn't have to be academic or behavior. I think it's, we could use this kind of agenda note-taking thing for in-service meetings, all kinds of different ways that we can use this protocol page. The question asks was if I think teachers would like to have this, and honestly, I really think teachers would like to have something as simple as this, just to keep them on track and their thoughts processed. I know we're all constantly, taking little scratch-it notes on notebooks and things like that, but this could be made into some sort of PLC binder, things to get us ready for our MTSS meetings. The protocol could be, like I just mentioned, very easily adapted. You can fill in specifics, you can change it for different subjects and different people. And I think that's about it. Okay, those are the bigger areas. I know what we've talked a lot about in this class is taking that data and putting it into practice, and that's something I need to work hard on. I think this form will help us be able to do that.